Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain about the relation between crores and billions, lakhs and millions. See children, this is a simple project through which I will explain the topic. Children, how to write 1 lakh? First write 1, after that write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. First write 1, after that write 5 zeros. This is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. How to write 10 lakhs? First write 10, after that write 5 zeros. First write 10, after that write 5 zeros. 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. How to write 100 lakhs? First write 100, after that write 5 zeros. First write 100, after that write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. This is 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs equal to 10 millions. 100 lakhs equal to 10 millions. Children, how to write 1000 lakhs? First write 1000, 1000. After that write 5 zeros. First write 1000. After that write 5 zeros. This is 1000 lakhs. Children, 1000 lakhs equal to 100 millions. 1000 lakhs equal to 100 millions. Now children, how to write 1 crore? First write 1, after that write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. First write 1, after that write 7 zeros. This is 1 crore. How to write 10 crores? First write 10, after that write 7 zeros. First write 10, after that write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. This is 10 crores. 10 crores. How to write 100 crores? First write 100, after that write 7 zeros. First write 100, after that write 7 zeros. Children, 100 crores equal to 1 billion. 100 crores equal to 1 billion. Okay. Now, children, how to write 1000 crores? First write 1000, then write 7 zeros. First write 1000, then write 7 zeros. This 1000 crores. Children, 1000 crores equal to 10 billions. 1000 crores is equal to 10 billions. Now, how to write 10,000 crores? First write 10,000s, after that write 7 zeros. First write 10,000s, after that write 7 zeros. 10,000 crores equal to 100 billions. 10,000 crores equal to 100 billions. Practice well, children. Thank you.